Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel ArtEPics. I am Payal. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you all my 2023 Durga painting with Madhubani style. Though it is quite late for upload this video because Navratri or Durga Puja already finished, but still I want to draw this painting. Hope you all enjoy painting and rewind this year Navaratri or Durga Puja once again with my painting. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post the final outcome of all my drawings. Please go check it out. I put that link in my description box and mention on my screen. As usual, I first roughly draw the Durga Maa face using pencil and then I use a black gel pen for final bordering. For this painting, I use A5 size canvas textured paper and for coloring, I use Camline brush pens and fine liner pens. And please keep watching to know how I use those brush pens to mix one color with another. This is the final result of my painting, and lastly, I want to make a request for all of you. Please at least give a like after you watching my video. Also, share my paintings with your friends and family. Share your valuable comments in my comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are a new one for more such beginner friendly videos. So, see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.